AI in our faces every day. And you know what? AI is here and has come to stay. So, as a sharp project management professional, what you should be asking yourself is, how can I leverage this AI to remain competitive in my career, to produce better results as a PM, and to use it to be effective in my role as a project manager? And that's exactly what we'll be discussing in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, don't worry, I'll come back with an introduction. But if you are a subscriber, high five. Guys, how have you been? It's so good to be doing this video and to be sharing some of the AI tools that I've been using so far. But if you're new here, welcome. My name is Ogaga Johnson. I'm a project management professional. I make learning project management easy, and I help immigrants to land in-demand jobs, transition from dead-end jobs and move to in-demand jobs such as project management. And on this channel, I share everything about a career in project management. I also share life lessons from my project management career and my business. So ensure that you subscribe, you like this video, and I'm sure you will really enjoy the content today. So let's dive right in. As a project manager, I use AI and I incorporate it in so many of my project management activities in order to be more effective. So in this video, I'll be sharing 3 main AI tools that I use every single day in order to produce better results as a project manager. First off, I will start with my good friend Grammarly. Grammarly, I love Grammarly. So, in fact, it is known that 90% of the time as a project manager, you are communicating. And nowadays in the world we are working in with remote work, working with people from different countries, we're doing a lot of virtual communication, especially email communication. So my good friend Grammarly has AI incorporated into it, and it helps me to ensure that my written communication is effective. So let's say I get an email and I'm responding to it. I already have that Grammarly in my email platform, right? My email provider. So I'm typing this email and Grammarly is telling me, hey, this is the right tone for the email. It tells me I can help you rephrase this sentence to sound like this. So do you know what? Nowadays, you don't even have to worry about, that job ads when you see some of the requirements and say excellent written communication. Always click on it. Check mark on that, because with Grammarly, which is a very good AI tool, you can have excellent written communication. Also, one thing about Grammarly is that when you're writing like your project management reports, your report on how the project went well, or any kind of documentation you're creating, you can also incorporate with things like Google Doc. So you can literally use it to ensure that your written communication at any point in time is actually very excellent and can communicate the message you're trying to pass across in a tone that is appropriate. So Grammarly for me is one of my good friends when I'm writing or communicating in any shape or form as a project manager. Number 2, my good friend ChatGPT. Hey, me and ChatGPT, we're very best friends. Like, you'll see us prompt, I will be prompting ChatGPT to tell me things. In fact, sometimes when it gives me some answers I don't like, I'm like, hey, ChatGPT, why are you giving me this answer? Give me something that, it's more, emotional, is more appealing. Like, or I'll say, stop. This is not what I asked you to do. Me and ChatGPT, we are friends, we fight just as any friend do. So I really do love ChatGPT, especially for brainstorming ideas. ChatGPT is very good with brainstorming ideas. So for example, there was a time that I had to recruit some people to work on a project I'm doing, right? And I'd not created a job ad before. So I literally just went to ChatGPT, hey, I need someone who has the skill set, because the project coordinator I was hiring, who has a skill set to manage projects, to coordinate projects, who has a skill set to be able to manage large stakeholders. And I just put some of the prompts I wanted. And guess what? I said, generate me a job ad. And in a split second, ChatGPT generated me this job ad that all I had to do was copy it, paste it in a Word document, did a bit of refining, and in less than 15 minutes, I literally had a document that I could use for, one of the tasks that I had to do, which is resource, management, which is acquiring resources for my project. I could do it in 15 minutes, something I'd never done before because I'd never written a job ad at that point in time. So you see, ChatGPT is so good. And also, one other thing I use ChatGPT for is, let's say I'm to create a document. It could be even, let's say, a project charter or a team charter. So most times when I'm creating things, I like to have a foundation to create it on. So I can tell ChatGPT, okay, what are the key sections I need to have in this team charter that I'm creating? The teams are working remotely, they're from different cultures. So I just give it a little bit of information in my prompt, and then it can now give me, these are the sections. Like I said, okay, based on the information I'm giving to you, can you fill out some of these sections as a baseline? And then it gives me that baseline, and I can take it, edit it, tweak it, with some things. And then I've gotten, this may be something that could have taken me maybe 2 hours. And in 30 minutes, I already have this documentation. So really and truly, AI, it just helps you to save lots of time. So I use ChatGPT a lot, even for generating ideas. Let's say I'm gathering requirements, but before I go to my stakeholders, I want to have a couple of requirements that I can use to maybe generate more ideas from them. I can use ChatGPT to give me those initial requirements and then go to them in order to generate the main requirements, right? Get their minds thinking based on these requirements I give them first. So ChatGPT is very good. Brainstorming, idea generation, and to create basic documentation that obviously you take, edit, and refine, but it just saves time in that way. So yes, ChatGPT, if you're a PM, use it for your project management activities. Number 3, now this particular tool, even non-PMs use it. So if you're a PM and you're not using it, why? This is the AI meeting notes tool. AI meeting notes tools, they are very, very good. The stress for PMs to be able to facilitate a meeting and then also be taking down the notes, taking it down and ensuring that you're not missing any points and everything is making sense. You don't need to do that anymore. With AI meeting notes tools, what happens is that it's incorporated in any meeting you go into. They join with you, basically, especially virtual meetings, right? They join with you, and then the tools, right? What happens is that they take down the notes for you. This means that you can really focus on the key role of a PM, which is facilitation, facilitating the meeting and ensuring that everyone is contributing as they should, which is really essential for an effective meeting. So with AI meeting notes tools, you can focus on facilitation and don't even worry about the notes. And some of these tools, they are very good such that while they have taken the notes, they will now have another section, when they give you the report, where they'll actually write out the meeting minutes with actions, decisions made, and key notes to remember from the meeting. So as a PM, you're just really taking that output from the meeting notes AI tool, and you are taking the meeting minutes and maybe making tweaks or edits here and there. Another reason why I love this AI meeting notes tool, because before, if I wanted to avoid the situation of taking notes, I'll probably have to tell my project coordinator or someone in my colleague basically to come in and take the notes for me, right? Or I'll record the meeting, and then after the meeting, you'll see me now trying to rewatch the meeting to take down the essential notes and write out. No. No need for all those things anymore, because that's just time wasting. With this AI meeting notes tools, you will get everything done for you, so that you're just grabbing it, tweaking it, and then you are sending it out to your attendees, those that you invited for the meeting, so they can have that meeting minutes that they can use at the end. So these are my 3 main AI tools that I use every single day to ensure that I'm effective as a PM, and it really reduces a lot of stress and burnout. So my Grammarly for my communication, my written communication, ChatGPT, brainstorming, ideas, almost everything really. And then also my AI meeting note tools. Now, if you would like me to share my top 3 AI meeting note tools, let me know in the comment section and I'll do a video where I'll share those and why I actually love them. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Finally, if you like this video, then you'll most likely like my other videos where I share all about project management. And if you do decide to watch any of them, then I'll see you in a few seconds. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.